Okay, so let's go on to the next line, which is the next scene already. Okay, that means we need a pre-action. So let's that column before, and let's call this pre-action. Okay, portal appear. Because we are in the next scene, we need the portal to appear and then throw the character out of the portal. To indicate that the character has went through the portal to another world, which is the game world of Zeta Stars. Portal and character appear. Okay. And so for this line, it will be let's see, ouch. Okay, so just one word, ouch. Okay, so you might think that this requires a lot of time to set up the dialogue system, but it's worth it in the long run when we can reuse it for other games in the future. Ouch. Okay, post action will make the sprite sort of at least a bit stun. Change to stun. Status. Okay, so for the next line or next dialogue, we have the pre-action as recover to normal status. Okay, I'm hoping that we are not lagging, which we are not. Okay, that's good. Okay, so for the next line will be what in the ... question mark. Okay, so where am I? Okay, I'm trying not to use alternate tab because I find that sometimes causes OBS to hang. So I try not to use that. Text me. Where am I? Where am I? Okay, so next pre-action. Okay, maybe we bring the recover to normal status here. Okay, so after where am I, it will be ... again. So we are trying to give the character some time to sort of realize that something is wrong with what's around him. my hands and legs so sharp? Okay, pre-action here will exclamation mark. Okay, we'll show an animated exclamation mark on top of the character's head. Okay, and next is wait a minute. Okay, hopefully OBS is not lagging. Okay. Okay, so wait a minute. This place looks familiar. Okay, this place looks familiar. It looks exactly like the game that I'm working on. Game that I am working on. And pre-action, we use another exclamation mark again. So it's something like an emoticon that appears over the character's head to sort of indicate the character's emotion at that moment. Okay, so am I in my own game? So am I in my own game? Okay, we don't need any pre or post action for this. Okay, next is the dot 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 again. So the 3 dots and repeated twice is for once, repeated once. So 2 times is to show that the character is taking some time to process what is going on. Okay. And here we'll put that's plain. Awesome. Okay, next, okay, we need one more column for this. After. Okay, we just call this action. so action will be sort of what happens when the dialogue is animated at the same time. So here, jump, up, down. Okay, so maybe 4 times, yeah. Okay. Next. Wait a second. Okay, so by now the character has already stopped jumping. Okay, how do I get back home? How do I get back home? So all of these are character dialogue. Okay, but it's time for the narrator to make a reappearance. Okay, so let's see. You can't. So here we change to narrator. Okay. Okay, let's scroll. Oh, okay. Let's see if we can freeze this row. Huh. Insert or right click. Freeze shader rows. So when we scroll down, yeah, okay. Okay, and here. If we change it to character again. Okay, did someone just answer me? Okay, so did someone just answer me? So as you can see by now, each dialogue line is rather short because we are trying to keep the dialogue text short and simple and also fit within the dialogue bubble, which if it gets too wide, doesn't look good. Okay. Did someone else answer me? So yes, I did. Okay, so this is narrator again. What? Who was that? So exclamation mark again. And who was that? So this is again by the character. narrator. Okay, where are you? Okay, character as well. Okay, so there's something that I should have done before typing so much of the dialogue here, is to check if we can export into a safe CSV file. Okay, dialogue. So if it is exported correctly, we can use text string to open it, and it will be in commas. Okay, what is with all the commas? Oh, okay, the commas are for the empty columns. So that means when we export them, we have to remove the empty columns. Okay, if not, things will get messy. Okay, so we have to remember that. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so remember that we must remove the extra columns here, so that we will not get the extra commas. Okay, so I am everywhere. I am everywhere. And of course, this is by the narrator. Okay, so now that I think about it, this dialogue system that we are trying to create doesn't really seem like it could be used for, or rather used by other development teams, because it's kind of customized. Okay, maybe not the loading of the dialogue text, but the pre-action, the action, and the post-action part. Well, that's when we check for custom conditions, and we create custom events and animations for that. So I'm not sure if that can be used by others. Yeah. Okay, that sounds just like a narrator. Okay, and here we have ... but this time by the narrator. Okay, so we are here. Hold on a second. Hold on a second. ... Okay, character. Okay, what did you mean by? Okay, what did you mean by I can get back home? Okay. Oopsie. Okay, character. Okay, and you can't. Oh, narrator. Okay, and what? Okay, there has to be a way. There has to be a way. Okay, you can. Okay, narrator. Okay, not in your current state anyway. Not in your current state anyway. Okay, narrator again. Okay, my current state, so this time. So this is character. So there is a way. Okay, character again. Okay, search for the style of records. Okay, so this is narrator. Okay, and just to check that OBS is still functioning. Okay, good. Okay, so if you are new here, okay, we are working on Stellar Stars, which is an arena-based roguelite shooter. Okay, and I have to say that it has the most, or that it will have the most character progression paths among all other roguelite platformers, because okay, only Stellar Stars will allow you to grow in aspects such as jumping higher or running faster. So there are a lot of interesting ways you can grow your characters, but of course we are constantly adding new ways. So if you have thought of some fun ways that you would like to improve your character on. Fun ways as in not the traditional type of adding damage, adding dexterity, things like that. So try to think as though as you are not bounded by any rules. So that's when things will get interesting. Okay, so the start of records. Find it and you will have your answer. Narrator. Okay, so it seems that we have spent quite an amount of time getting the dialogue in, but it's worth it in the long run. Okay, so wait. Character. So we are here. How do I find it? Okay, so post section. Okay, height. Dialog box.